Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your baby doesn't like to be swaddled with their arms down, you're going to want to check out this swaddle. It's called the Swaddle UP from Love to Dream, and it allows your baby to sleep with their arms up. Their arms just go right in here, and they are nice and snug in the middle with room to move their little legs on the bottom. This swaddle has been a lifesaver for us. One of my favorite things about the swaddle is how soft and stretchy the material is. It's a really luxurious quality. It's still breathable, very thin, so your baby won't get too hot at all. And they have this little protector for the zipper, so you just cover the zipper right up and it won't hurt their face at all. My baby is about 6 weeks old here, and you can see what a good fit this swaddle is. It's nice and snug in the middle area. His arms are up and he has plenty of room to move his hips and legs at the bottom. So if you're in the market for a swaddle that allows your baby to sleep with their arms up comfortably but still snug as a bug, definitely check out the Swaddle UP from Love to Dream. You're gonna love it, and so will your baby. That's my point of view.